Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on the PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap onto the profile icon at the top right corner. Then here you can find the option of Message Center. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Then here you can find the option of Contact Us. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of Account Profile and Setup. Go ahead and select it. Here you can see the option of Name Change. Simply select it. Then here you can find how do I change the name on my PayPal account. Simply tap on it. Here you will find the way how you can change the name of your PayPal account. There is the given one condition. It can be only changed only once, and the name can be changed if it is misspelled. And if your name is misspelled, you can simply go to the PayPal web browser and you can change from there. And that's it. This is how you can change the name on the PayPal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.